Let's check it out, guys. I'm sure this is a plant. It is a plant. Oh my goodness, you will like this, my friends. Philodendron Prince of Orange. Philodendron Prince of Orange. Philodendron Prince of Orange. I am so excited I could even pronounce this. Prince of Orange. There you go. It's a little bit not nice on packaging because the leaves was damaged. Here you go, my friends. Oh, the damage. I cannot believe it wasn't packed nice. But it's right. I hope I can revive it. Prince of Orange. I'm going to pot it right now. Right now. That's perfect for now. And my soil, I have this. Got it from my garlic because I have a lot of holes on it. I do that because that's just how I want this plant to breathe. So I go ahead and let's start. There, and of course my soil. So let's talk about my soil. My soil is 30% bark and 20% orchid bark also. It has fertilizer on it, and then 50%. Okay, let's do that again. My math is bad. Okay, so I put it here like 30% bark, and it's a mixture of a natural bark from my garden. Okay, so my soil is 50% bark, 30% perlite, and 20% cocoa peat moss. And put this one in here, secure it, and of course grab this thing. Okay, let's see that root system in there. I normally don't disturb the root system, I just plant it just like this.
Okay, my friends, so let's talk about philodendrons. These plants can thrive in medium indirect light, but can also tolerate low light. There are instances like you want your plant to grow robust and colorful foliage. You may want to give them morning sunshine between 8 to 10 in the morning. They can easily be scorched in a hot sunny day, so make sure to shelter them under a tree, not direct sunshine. Okay, so in watering, water every 1 to 2 times per week depending on the growing season, allowing soil to dry out between waterings. Increase frequency of watering if they are in brighter, drier environment. As much as possible, do not let their roots dry out completely, and do not let it soak for a longer period of time also, for they can be susceptible to root rot. So fertilizing, I do fertilize my plant once a month, especially during the growing season, and I repot them when I see the leaves outgrows the pot 3 times the pot size.
Finish. And this is probably okay for like 3 months because they are actively growing. I'll just have to repot them again next time.